channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. What am I doing? What am I doing? Put it down below. Yep. The snake's back.
You're weird, buddy. You're weird.
The snake lover left. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. And I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. You're one of my doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Today I'm doing a collab with Beauty Forever. I have done a collab with them in the past. I will link that down below. It was a human hair wig. It was actually one of the, I fell in love with that wig. So they had also sent me this scarf, and today we are going to be looking at a hair cutting set that they sent me, which is so cute. So I'm excited. There are some details, a coupon code I will put on the screen, and I'll also put all the details where you can find this, their socials, everything. So let's open it up. It came in this bag. I have used it already, so I used some of it, not all of it, but I have used some of it. It's not completely unopened, but you can purchase these on Amazon for $19.99. It comes with a cape, and this is actually really important because with the what's going on in the world, I've always cut my son's hair. I cut my own hair, but now I'm cutting my boyfriend's hair. Sometimes I cut my dad's hair. So yeah, it comes with this cape, which I'm so excited about because now instead of doing it on a porch, I can do it in and put the cape on, because now it's 0 degrees in the frozen tundra. So having my son getting his haircut on the porch is not desirable. Okay, what else do we have here? This is the little case. I'm so excited because it's so fancy. So this is the case here, and it's just unzipped. This is everything that comes in here. And it comes with a comb. It also comes with this little brush, which is to brush all the little hairs off. Haven't opened that yet. It comes with a razor comb, which is awesome. I have 2 razor combs, so I didn't need to use the one in here. I have these 2 razor combs, so I didn't need to use the one in here, but it'll be nice because I can take this around with me as opposed to, because I'm not carrying those around. And it comes with the rat tail comb, which I did use, 2 hair clips, this little shiny buffer, I guess, and then 2 types of scissors. So I did use these scissors, and they're so nice. They have these blue accents on them, and they're just really pretty. So I did use these, and they worked very well. And I like how they go in here. Travel friendly. Not that I'm traveling far, but I travel back and forth to the store and to my boyfriend's house. Sometimes to my parents, but that's it. And then they also have thinning shears, which I haven't tried yet. I am going to be doing a video with these thinning shears on a wig. Okay, that'll be coming up soon, but I wanted to show this now. And then as I refer to them in different videos, I will always make sure to link it down below. So that is everything that comes in it. I was really happy with the quality. I mean, the scissors feel weighty, but not too weighty. They just feel expensive, to be honest with you. So I'm really happy. Like I said, I'll be continually using these whenever I do styling videos. So I will refer to them, and I'll put them down below. I should probably put them in my permanent list of things to use so that you have them. Anyway, that's me thinking out loud. So thank you to Beauty Forever for collabing with me again. They are a great company. Everything came fast. It came beautifully packaged. So I would definitely suggest them. I do know that somebody said that they purchased a human hair wig from them after my human hair wig review, and they were very pleased. So I am really enjoying collabing with them. And so if you have any comments, please put them down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.